What's up, YouTubers, RVers, people from the humanity of our beautiful world? This is Peppa and Mama Kabisky's Adventures, and I wanted to show you some of the updates on my Jetson Eris scooter. I happened to add a second fishing pole holder to the front so I don't wreck trying to hold a pole and have one pole in the holder. So I added two, and I moved my light here to the bottom so I can get a better shot of the light on the road. The little lights that come on the scooters, like that one, they're good, but they're not as bright as you want them to be. Let me get you a view on the scooter here. Front wheel drive. Jetson. Look at that. All your important information. Brake setup. Man, this thing will stop you on a dime. Giving you a view of my Jetson Eris scooter. Jetson. Alright, guys, until the next one. Peace and enjoy.